Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OnePlus 12R. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So whenever you try and clean it with a metallic tool, then you can only damage the port, and if it's working now and it's just inaccessible, then if you clean it with a metallic tool, then you can damage it and it won't work anymore. So make sure that you use something like a soft brush. And next, what you guys can do is test your mic. So you guys can do that in two ways. You guys can go over here and go over to the camera. Now just let's quickly give it permissions, go to video, and simply start recording while you're talking. Now you can stop, and here, let's see if we get the sound. Now you can. Yes, we do. So this is how we know that our microphone is working. But if yours still isn't, then what you guys can do is go over and restart your phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now what you guys want to do next is swipe up to restart it, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is simply update your software to fix any mic glitches. So let's open up the settings first, go over to the app drawer, open up the settings. Now what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way down until we see the system and update. Now make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, because you will check if your software is up to date. Now as you guys can see, it's checking for updates, and in a second we should know that our version is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.